Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music.
Feel like you, hey you, yes you. Have you feel like you're trying to get rid of your acne and all you do is leave scars on your face? Well, say no more. I got a great cosmetics for you. It is called Coffee Infused Oil, where it helps rejuvenate your skin, get rid of scarring from acne, breakouts and pimples and stuff, all into one thing. It helps moisturize your face during the winter and summer. It helps make sure your skin glows and shines like mine. Let's get started on how to make this coffee infused oil. First up, you're going to take your pot, you're going to put water in it, then you're going to put a pot like a pan over it, something that can be easily able to heat up while breaking, like something that is easy to use, breakable. Then you're gonna also add your oils in. Whatever oils you choose. For me, I'm gonna use coffee. Not coffee. I'm gonna use coffee. Obviously, we're gonna use coffee. Then you're gonna add in coconut oil. jojoba oil, and whatever oils you guys want to do for yourself. For my skin, since I'm sensitive to certain things, I'm going to use coffee oil and jojoba oil because that helps me nourish myself, also get rid of acne. You're gonna add all your coffee, all your ingredients you have together. Make sure you add enough measurements for yourself. Then you're gonna go ahead and let that boil to an hour or so until the house starts smelling like coffee. Then you know it's done. Interrupt this regular schedule program to tell you guys that New Fest is finally still the sale's still going on for over $100 for free shipping. If you have free shipping for all orders over $100, so go ahead and still go shop. The sale might end. It's gonna end before February is up, so go ahead. You better might want to get it now. Hurry, go. Stop watching the video. Go ahead. Buy something. Go buy a whole bunch. Go buy a whole bunch of hoodies for your loved ones. It's cold out. Go buy a whole bunch of cute shirts for your kiddos. Go buy a cool shirts for yourself. Cause heck, we got some for adults too. We ain't gonna forget about you guys. We ain't forgetting about you. But go ahead and go check out New Fest apparels right now. I'll link the website down in the description box below. Go check it out. But I love this design. I brought a few myself, so go check it out. But yeah, back to the video. Once that's done, you're going to take a cheesecloth. But for me, I didn't have a cheesecloth on hand. I couldn't find mine. So I'm going to use a strainer, but you make sure you go out. If you even have to go during certain days, you're going to have to get you a cheesecloth strainer or cheesecloth so you can strain out your coffee so it don't be in your oil. But for me, I'm gonna have to live with it. I like kind of having coffee on my face because it makes me feel like I'm drinking coffee, but with my skin. I know it's weird, but that's me. Anyways, next you're gonna make sure once that's finished, all smell like the house smell like coffee. Then you know it's done. So you're gonna take that and you're gonna strain it. Once you finish straining that, you're going to put it in your jar. That is the hot fuse method, but the cold fuse method is not too difficult. All you gotta do is take your ingredients, put it in a jar, and set it into a cabinet for a week or so. And then once the next week hits, then you can use it, but you have to strain out the coffee grounds, and boom, you have your coffee fuse oil the cold way. Next, after you finish straining that and putting it in your jar, it is time to use. So go ahead and put it on your face before you go to bed, or you can go ahead and put it on your face in the daytime, as long as you don't put makeup on, because you don't want to mess up your rejuvenating skin process. But for the benefits of using the Kpcutie oil is definitely good. It helps with your dark circles. If you have dark circles, scarring. It helps with your rejuvenating your skin, so it can stop being shedding a lot. Like, have you ever noticed, or your T-zone's been shedding like crazy with your skin's peeling? Boom, this Kpcutie oil will help with that. And there's more benefits to that. I will also tell you that it's also benefits for your stretch marks. Like, if you got stretch marks all over your body, go ahead and put it right there. Just rub it in, and it helps get, like, make the stretch marks go down and start having your skin bounce back to like a baby's bottom. And also, it's also good for your hair too. So it helps with your hair growth. It helps with your dandruff. It helps like give your hair all the nutrients it needed. So it's also good for your hair, your face, your body. Hey kids, it's your girl Kpcutie back with another video. Today I'm doing another vlog, and right now I'm getting ready for our photo shoot for our new best shop. Right now I'm doing my makeup. I just got my hair did, as you can see before this part of the video. I was having my purple hair in. Now I feel like I need some red in, so I got my hair done. Now I am doing my makeup. As you see, that's why I got more of a glow today. I'm gonna go with natural because it's gonna be like a photo shoot where she's on the shirt, which you're not gonna see just yet. So stay tuned for this video of behind the scenes of the photo shoot with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready and pose in the mirror, see if my pose is like, and yeah. So see you guys in a bit when I finish my makeup. That's it for video, cuties. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and comment down below. Also, if you guys tried it out yourselves and it worked for you, just so you guys know, for the coffee remedy, you gotta do like, let's say every time you go to bed, or if you wake up in the morning, do that, like just put some on, go on watch your day without putting makeup on it, because the oils, and when it seeps in your skin, it helps. Like, because I have this scarring and it's going down. It's just keep doing your daily routine. Just try to add that to the mix too. So just try to add, like, fit it in any way you can, because it helps. And now my scars, like I have scars from where acne left, the pimple scars right here, and they're starting to go away, fade away. So try to add that in your daily routines, or night routines, whatever you choose to. And also comment down below if you guys tried it out, and if you had done it differently than I did. I would love to know, so we can talk about it down in the comment section below. And also don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And also go ahead and follow all my social media pages, and follow my family's family shop, which I'll link down also down in the description box below. And also go check out our TikToks, our other stuff. That will be all down in the description box below again. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye guys. Cutie out. Go check out our merch. Go check out our shop. Please check it out. It's called New Fest. Right there. Name's right there. Boom. Right there. Go check it out. Go check it out. Check it out. But yeah.